Did you know that there's something called a light L and a dark L? Well, in this video, we talk about the difference between those two sounds and how to pronounce them correctly. The light L is the sound that you probably already know. It's the sound that you learned in this course. It's made by first putting your tongue to the top of your mouth, just behind your top front teeth. Then you release air and voice the sound. Some example words are light, leave, lamp, place, below. When I pronounced all of these sounds, my tongue touched the top of my mouth just behind my top front teeth. Now the dark L is a sound that you may not have learned before. Let me show you an example word and then I will teach you how to pronounce the sound. Cell, cell, cell. You can see here that when I say the word cell, my tongue doesn't touch the top of my mouth. Cell, cell. When we make the dark L sound, our tongue pulls back and the sound comes from the back of our mouth. Also, when making this sound, our lips should not be in a circle shape. They should not be rounded. Our lips should be relaxed. Cell, cell. Now let's have a look at some more examples. Fall, fall. Girl, girl. Real, real. Chill, chill. Call, call. In all of these words, my tongue did not touch the top of my mouth when I was making the L sound. If you're still having trouble pronouncing the dark L, try practicing in front of a mirror. Remember, your tongue should be pulled back and your lips should not be rounded. Your lips should be relaxed. This may be a strange sound if you haven't got a sound like this in your language, so keep practicing and eventually you will be able to pronounce it correctly. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, if I see an L in a word, how do I know if it's a dark L or if it's a light L? Well, normally, if the L is before a vowel, it's a light L. Also, if it's at the start of a word, it's probably a light L. But if the L is after a vowel, it's probably a dark L. Also, if the L is at the end of a word, it's probably a dark L. These are just the general rules, but they are correct most of the time. So from now on, whenever you hear an L sound, ask yourself, is it a dark L or is it a light L?